Welcome to Study Loop.
Question 9. We are given y double prime minus y prime equals x e to the x with initial conditions of x is 0, y equals 2, and y prime of 0 equals 1. Alright, so now I have r squared minus r equals 0, r either equals 0 or positive 1, which puts my equation at C1, because it would be e to the 0, which is just 1, so I only have C1 left, plus C2 e to the 1x. Next step is I have to find my a's and my b's. So I'm going to let my equation equal ax squared e to the x plus bx e to the x, and then my y prime product rule, 2ax e to the x, that's my f prime times g, plus my g prime times f, and e to the x, the derivative is e to the x, and then I have to do the product rule for bx ex, so I get plus bx ex plus b ex. Now my y double prime, 2a, and again this is product rule, 2a e to the x plus 2ax e to the x plus, now I'm doing the product rule for this one, so the derivative of f prime is 2ax e to the x plus g prime f would be ax squared e to the x plus b e to the x, I'm on that one, b e to the x plus bx e to the x, product rule for that one, plus b e to the x. So now I'm going to combine my like terms for y double prime, and I get 2a e to the x plus 4 ax e to the x plus ax squared e to the x plus bx e to the x plus 2b e to the x. And now I plug it into my original equation. So I have f double prime, which is 2a e to the x plus 4a x e to the x plus a x squared e to the x plus bx e to the x plus 2b e to the x minus y prime. So I'm going to minus 2axe minus 2ax e to the x minus ax squared e to the x minus bx e to the x minus b e to the x, and all of that's going to equal x e to the x. So when I subtract that, I get 2a e to the x plus 2ax e to the x, cancels, plus b e to the x equals x e to the x. So that means 2ax e to the x equals x e to the x. Therefore, 2a equals 1. A equals 1/2. And then I'd have 2a e to the x plus b e to the x equals 0. A equals 1/2, so I have 2 times 1/2 plus b equals 0. B has to equal -1. So that puts my general equation so far as y equals c1 plus c2 ex, or e to the x power, plus 1/2 x squared e to the x minus x e to the x. So I can plug in my initial values for that. So I plug in a 0. So 2 equals c1 plus c2 That's it for that one. Now I'm going to take my derivative. Y prime equals c2 e to the x plus 2x, product rule, 2x e to the x plus 1/2 x squared e to the x minus e to the x minus x e to the x. And now I plug in 0 for x and set it equal to 1. 1 equals C2 0, 0, minus 1, 0. So those are my two equations. So C1 or C2 equals 2. And if C2 equals 2, then C1 equals 0. And my equation is y equals 2ex plus 1/2 x squared e to the x minus x e to the x.